Sookie, sookie. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my beauty space. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Natashia. And in today's video, I did want to do makeup on my sister today. This is my sister, Brittany.
Hello.
That's all you have for my supporters? That's it?
What's up?
Brittany is very low maintenance. She does not, you do your eyebrows, but you don't wear makeup, right?
I don't wear anything.
Oh, okay. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this beautiful pop of color on Brittany, please keep watching. The first product I'm going to take is the Illuminating Primer Mist, and we're going to spray her face.
She wasn't ready.
The next product I'm going to take is my Glow Girl Cosmetics. This is the Glow Booster Serum. And then I'm going to take a foundation brush. This is from e.l.f. And I'm going to rub this product in. Now this product is not sticky at all. It dries right into the skin. The last product I'm going to take is my e.l.f. This is the Moisture Lock Primer. And this is to stop her from getting oily throughout her day. I'm gonna put this in her T-zone. Is your T-zone where you tend to get oily a lot, or?
My whole face.
Your whole face.
Yeah.
Next, I'm going to color correct her face. And of course, anytime you use a orange color correct, we're just getting all of the dark spots on her face. So I'm gonna take my Makeup Forever. This is the HD foundation. And then I'm gonna grab the foundation brush. I'm gonna go back in with my setting spray. Foundation is complete. We're going to move on to concealer. The concealer that I'm going to use today is the Fenty concealer. My LA Girl Pro Concealer in this shade Chestnut, and I'm going to contour. Grabbing my stippling brush. Feels like multiple scars over here. I just did the other one. Oh, wait a minute. Now we are going to blend out the concealer under her eyes. And the Fenty concealer does not dry super quick. I know the foundation dries very fast, but I can work pretty slow with this. And I love that this foundation, because I could have added more foundation to cover up her beauty mark, but I love it kind of just peeking through. I'm grabbing my Bin Nice setting powder and I'm gonna place this on her forehead. I mentioned in my previous videos, I will spend up to 45 minutes on eyebrows. Oh, I don't even know what hair looks like anymore. My brows are so bad. So I just sprayed my brush with some setting spray. I am grabbing some pomade. This is from L'Oreal. And I'm gonna fill in the areas that are sparse. And then I'm gonna go back in with my concealer and we're going to place this right under her brow to clean up any areas. With any remaining concealer, I kind of just wipe it off. Moving on to eyes, I'm gonna grab my NYX. This is the eyeshadow primer. And we're gonna place this on her lid. The eyeshadow palette that we're gonna use today is from Wet n Wild. This is called Rose in the Air. We are going to start out with the brow highlight. The next shadow I'm going to take is the transition shade, and I'm going to grab the darkest transition shade in this palette. Just taking a fluffy brush from Profusion, we're going to place this in our crease. Once the color is not as vibrant, I'm gonna bring it down to the lid. And if you ever had a hard time finding your client's crease, just ask them to look up. So her crease is right here, so I can just apply the shadow. The next eyeshadow I'm going to take is this beautiful orange shade, and we're gonna place that in the crease. And then I also pop that shade in her outer corner. Go ahead and look up. Going back into the transition shade, I'm actually gonna take the top transition shade to blend all this together. I'm going to cut her crease now. So I'm gonna go back in with my concealer as well as my concealer brush, and I'm gonna place this on her lid. So I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow shade that is in the middle, and we're gonna place this right on her lid. And while that sets, I'm gonna do the other eye. The same exact thing, grabbing my concealer brush. With the shimmer shade. I'm going back in with the orange shade and the darkest transition shade, and I'm going to do her outer corner, kind of blend those two shades together so there's not a harsh line. Once again, I'm gonna go in with the lightest transition shade, and just to make sure everything blends. Are your eyes sensitive to eyeliner?
What do you mean?
So we're gonna apply some black eyeliner. I'm doing the other side.
Fall apart. Oh, separate. Okay.
And then I'm just gonna apply some more just to make sure that the color pay off. The lashes that we're gonna use today are from Iconalashes. This is the eyelash applicator. I'm going to apply the Opal Glow in her tear duct. I'm just gonna spray the brush with some setting spray, of course. I mean, not spray you. Just to give her a pop of color, I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay palette. I'm gonna grab the shade Graffiti.
Sookie, sookie.
I'm gonna grab my Ben Nye setting powder. My favorite blush from MAC. This is in the shade Raisin.
How come I don't get the kitty cat ears?
I'm not gonna add any bronzer to her. Match your cup, Meg. Get the cat ears.
I just realized I keep staring at myself and I'm like, something's off.
You didn't get the
And
cat
then
ears?
the squares just sort of reminded me.
Setting powder once again. I'm just taking a smudge brush and I'm gonna go back in with the orange shade. We're gonna bring that to her lower lash line. I don't know if I want to do white or black in your waterline. We're gonna do white. Fluffy brush from e.l.f. Grabbing a smaller tapered fluffy brush, look up. We're gonna put some mascara on the lower lash line. I'm gonna spray her face with some setting spray. This is from e.l.f. I gotta be prepared.
I was like, I'm putting my head, I'm prepared.
Okay, are you prepared now? Okay, ready,
I'm
set, it's about to go. Now while her face is wet, and I'm gonna add her highlight. And just connecting the highlight. Moving on to our lips, I'm going to take Sugar and Spice from Gerard Cosmetics. And I do like to fill in the lips with the lip liner. I feel like it kind of just helps your lipstick last a little bit longer. We're gonna go into the shade Sedona. This is from Gerard Cosmetics. And this is the HydraMatte liquid lipstick. Oh, I love it. This is the completed look. Yay. I just want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my tutorials. You guys know I definitely appreciate the support. Brittany, how do you like your makeup?
I love my makeup.
So why don't you ever wear makeup?
My hand moves when I try to put on eyeliner.
Your struggle is just real?
A lot.
Until my next video, I want to thank you guys for stopping by. As usual, please do not forget to share, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Until my next video, you guys know I miss you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Action. Oh, sorry. She wasn't ready. And then I'm gonna take my Glow Girl. It's in your eyes? How did it get in your eye? Hair on your face? What? A lot of people have hair on their face.
I nared like a week ago.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to my...
It's a lot.
I'm just gonna go back into my Wet n Wild palette. Okay. I couldn't get it open. I know you guys don't know who this person is, but hold on. Going live on Channel 5. And I'm gonna fill in the areas that are sparse. Bet you didn't know what sparse was.
I didn't.
I saw the way you looked around. So you guys know I am obsessed with the highlight and contour palette. Look at you already looking like a beauty queen.